Good morning everyone. So here we are going to solve the problem of CryptArithmetic in AI. So this is one of the problem of constraint strategies. Okay, constraint strategies problem it is, and the problem name is CryptArithmetic Problem. The given question is base plus ball is equal to games. What does it do in this kind of problems is each and every letter will take the digits from 1 to 9. Individually, each of the letter will be taking numbers from 1 to 9, or you can assign them as digits. Okay, so now we are trying to know how is this getting evaluated with the help of these digits. Let us start. Since G is individually assigned there, we will be knowing that there will be some carry coming from this part of the equation, okay, which is left over as 1. So we will assign G value to be 1. Now let us consider this equation. E plus L is equal to S. This is our first equation. Okay, so let us consider this to be equation A. If there is no carry, when carry is not there, so at that time we are considering it to be this equation. If suppose there is a carry onto this, okay, if there is a supply of a carry onto this next equation, then how could it be E plus L is equal to S plus 10, because 10 is the number which will supply the carry, 2-digit number we can say. Fine, so that is the reason we have added there plus 10. So let this be equation 2 if carry is there, or if carry is available. Now how can I write this equation is E is equal to S minus L plus 10. Let this be my equation B. Same thing, whatever it is from here. Now consider second equation. S plus L is equal to E. S plus L is equal to E. So what I can do now is, I have the value of E, I can supply it into this equation. From B, S plus L is equal to S minus L plus 10. S goes away, 2L is equal to 10, which is nothing but L is equal to 5. So we got the value of L to be 5 here. Right. Now, since we got the value of L, we will be able to get the value of S comma E. What can be the combination of S comma E such that we will generate a carry there? So the other combinations can be 1 can't be there because 1 is already given to G. 5 is already allotted to this. So the other combinations would be 5 comma 0, 6 comma 1, 7 comma 2, 8 comma 3, 9 comma 4. We cannot consider this because L is already allocated as 5. And we cannot consider even this because 1 is already allocated to G. So these two combinations we cannot consider. Out of these three combinations, there is something available for us. Now let us look at the equation B plus B is equal to A, this one, plus carry, whatever the carry has been transferred again back to here. Okay, now we don't know the value of A and the value of B. Let us assume the values of A and B now. How it could be? B is equal to, either it can be 5 because it has the possibility of generating the carry as 5 plus 5, 10, right? So in that way we have considered the value of 5 to be either 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. This could be the possibilities of B. We are supposing it. Fine. Now can I take 5? No, because L is already given as 5. Can I take 6? Yes, 6, there is a possibility for 6. Now we need to suppose let s comma e is equal to 7 comma 2 and b equal to 6. Is it possible if I supply these values to it? Let us add b value. B plus b is equal to a. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. This is not possible. This is not possible because e is already allocated as 2. Now what we can suppose is b plus b, the other supposition could be 7. So 7 plus b value that we are considering here is, first we consider as 6, now we are considering b value to be 7. So b plus b is equal to a. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. Now as we got the value of b to be 14, okay, and the next assumption for this one could be, now let us check value of this is SE as the next value. This is discarded as it was not possibly generating the values for us. So we were not able to take 7 comma 2 and 6, so that is discarded here. I have gone to the next SE value, that is 8 comma 3. So present SE value is E is 3 and S is 8. Yes, if I add these two we are getting 8. This is true. Now S value is 8. 8 plus 5, 13. Very good. E value we are generating to be 3. Carry 1. A value we got to be 14. Right? 4 and carry 1. So A is here and B value that we have considered to be is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 4 plus 4, 8. Carry 1, 9. So likewise we got the values of A value to be 4, B value to be 7, C we don't have in this, so it is nil. D also we don't have, sorry. We have G to be 1, we have M to be 9, S to be 8, L to be 5, E to be 3, and that's it. So these are the combinations of the numbers that we have analyzed in this CryptArithmetic problem. Hope you have understood. Subscribe my channel for more videos.